Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles also, and in this video I'll be showing you how I can get cheap data. Trust me, this is the cheapest that is available right now. So practically I'll be showing you I can get about 1 gig for like 133 naira, and you'll be getting like about 3 gig for 400 naira. So I don't know, do you think there's any plan that is cheaper than that? So if there's anyone you feel that is cheaper out there, just comment and let me know, or comment in the comment section. So guys, if you're new on this channel, you're welcome once again. So on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money on the internet and things you can do to get better results for your internet marketing activities. So if you like videos like this and if you want to get similar videos, so you can just ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out any of my content. So let's get back to it. So I'll be showing you the practical way you can get 1 gig for 133 naira and 3 gig for 400 naira. So, but the thing about this is that there's a condition attached to it, but then I'll reveal everything to you right now in this video. So let's go to our dialer and check out this plan I'm talking about. So the thing is, this particular plan, it works for both MTN and Airtel. I've not tried it for Glo and other network, but I'm very certain it works for MTN and Airtel. You can try it over there if you're using Glo, probably if it's available on Glo. But then if you're using MTN and Airtel, you want to pay attention right now. So for you to access this plan I'm talking about, let's dial the code to purchase data on MTN. So I think that's *312# right? *312#. So dial that, once you dial that, you can see we have data plan, social bundle, business plan, then roaming. So then you go to data plans. Can you see? So before I review the particular plan to you guys, I said there's a condition attached to it. So the thing is, if you want to enjoy this particular privilege, you need to like buy the data in bulk. Do you understand? You need to buy the data in bulk. Probably if you're someone that use a lot of data in a month, this will really pay you a lot. Do you get? Or you can even merge with your friends if you feel you don't use that much data in a month. Because what you'll be getting with this particular plan I'm revealing to you is you'll be getting about 45 gig of data, and it's going to be for about 6,000 naira. So let's quickly go and calculate that on my calculator so you see what I'm saying. So if you check 45 gig divided by, okay, 6,000 divided by 45 gig. So you can see, so that means each gig comes for at the rate of 133 naira. If you ask me, I'm sure that's the cheapest data plan out there. If you go and check how much you buy 1 gig in MTN, 1.2 gig is about 1,000 naira. So I guess you can see this is the cheapest out there. So like if you have to get it about 3 gig, so let's say 133 times 3. So you can see that's approximately 400 naira for 3 gig. But then like I was saying, if you want to enjoy this privilege, you need to like buy data in bulk so that you can enjoy data this cheap. So if you are someone that don't use up to 45 gig in a month, you can just merge with your friends. But if you use that much in a month, trust me, this is the best plan you can buy out there. So let's go back to what we were doing earlier on and let me explain something further to you. So if you check *312#, so you see data plans, which is 1. Then you go for the particular plan we are going for is always on. Always on. I'm sure you have been curious what this always on all about. I know you've seen this before, but you don't really understand how it works. So the thing is, for this particular plan, it means that you can always use the data any time of the day. You can use it in the morning, in the night, anytime. There are some data that you don't use at night. There are some data that are just restricted to night. But this particular plan can be used any time of the day. So if you go for always on, which is 5, then it load up the options for you. Can you see the different options? We have 200 MB for 60 naira. We have 450 MB for 120 naira. Then we have 15 gig for 3,000 naira, and we have 45 gig for 6,000 naira. Can you see? That's the cheapest. But then I need to explain something more to you. So if you click on 4, so you see, he said you'll be charged 6,000 naira for 45 gig monthly, always on plan. To proceed, select. So I just click on 2, which is one off. I don't know if this explanation is actually here, but then let me quickly explain it to you. So this plan, if you buy it, you won't be given everything at a time. Do you get? You won't be given everything at a time. What they do is that they give you 1.5 gig every day for 30 days. Each day you get 1.5 gig, and if you don't exhaust that 1.5 gig in a day, The good thing is you can actually roll over the data to the next day and continue using it also. But then the thing is you don't get the 045 gig at a go. You get it every day, 1.5 gig daily. So let's click on one off. So that's what I'm saying. So once you click on one off, okay, they say it looks like the code you used was incorrect. Please check and try again. Okay, let's do it one more time. You know, one thing about this particular code is that if you are not fast with it, it gets to timeout. So let's just try it one more time and see what we are saying. So star 312 hash, then you go for data plans. So I go for 5, which is always on. So then you go for 4, which is then you go for one off. So we should be able to get it now. So can you see it even explained there? Activation of 45 gig monthly always on plan was successful. You will get 1.5 gig every day for 30 days. Can you see? Expires 2308. Can you see? So it means that you are getting 1.5 gig per day. And if you don't get to exhaust that 1.5 gig in a day, you can actually roll over to the next day. Do you get? Like it will automatically roll over by itself to the next day, and it will be added to the new 1.5 gig of that particular day. I guess you understand what I explained right now. So this is actually the cheapest data plan you can get right now. If you feel there's anyone that is cheaper than this, just let me know in the comment section. And if this actually worked for you, just comment in the comment section. So before I end this video, so you can see I just got an SMS activation of 45 gig monthly always on. You get 1.5 every day for 30 days. So let's quickly check some data plan available. So you see that this is actually the cheapest plan out there. Star 312 hash. You know we got about 45 gig for 6,000 naira. So if you check right here, you will see that the plans that are here are actually way more expensive. So let's check for monthly, which is 3. So can you see? If you have to spend 5,500 naira, you are getting only 20 gig. And if you have to spend 6,500 naira, you are getting only 25 gig. But you can see with that particular plan we did, we got like times 2 for the same amount. We got like times 2 for the same amount. So I'm sure you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, ensure to just leave a comment and subscribe. And also help me like this video so that it's reach out to more people that are interested in this kind of content. Alright, I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.